Hello students, welcome to our online class. Today we are again going to be gather and discuss here in our EPH class related to class 9 and 10. Today our topic is related to class 9 and 10 and our topic is aging and social security. Aging and social security. So students, let me tell you about. We have earlier discussed about in our previous class, that is aging buddhiyoli. So aging, it is one of the stage of human life. So we know that when human have to born, they have to pass their different stage. The child stage, infant, child, adolescent, youth, and at last that is aging. And different survey so that in our country, according to 2011 AD, in our country 8.13% of people are below in age group, and in our country 60 to 60 plus all people are categorized in aging. So let me discuss tell you one thing about, according to Oxford Dictionary, aging means the process of growing old. Not only process of growing old physically and mentally. Listen carefully. Physically, it is a term, physical, and mentally. So when any people have to pass their lifetime, and after passing the time of their life, the people become older, and there is a stage. That stage is known as aging. When the 2011 AD, there is a census that have to find that about 8.13% of people are below the aging group. Listen here carefully. So due to different factor, people have to enter in age group, that is old age, that is known as aging. When their tissues is turned out, when they have lose their mental capacity. So here different. Now we are going to discuss about causes of aging. And we know that in our country, the total lifespan of the old people is only 67.2 years. It means the life expectancy according to 2011 AD, 67.2 years. It means as a whole, the Nepalese people have to live 67 year average in 67 or 68 years. Due to but in previous day, people have to spend less time interval in their age group, that is only 60 years. Now in the modern age, due to different factor, now people have to, there is a available health services, there is a different types of equipments. So now people have to stay healthy and safe in 67 years as well. So according to the Oxford Dictionary, process of growing physically is now causes. There are different causes or problems of aging. So firstly, causes when the tissues worn out, when there is decrease the mental power, when there is loss of social activities. These are the main causes of aging. When the body is going to be worn out, it means due to time interval, there are different types of problems on the body, and the people are going to be in old age. So now I have to write here, that is problems of aging. Problem of aging. Problems when people are in old age, what types of problem they have to face in their life. So there are the problems of aging. Aging is itself a problem, and in aging, in this old age, people have to face different types of problem, like different types of physical problem, social problem, mental problem, emotional problems, different types of problems that are listed here. That is loss of appetite. Loss of appetite, it means they have no interest to take food in timely. Other, there is poor eyesight, poor digestion, there is loss of vision, there is loss of memory power, no lack of interest in social work, interest in social works. There is also feeling alone, like to spend more time with their own age group. So these are the problems of social, that is social, emotional, mental problems in old age. Due to this, people feel alone, and in old age, it is also one of the problems that is aging. In old age, people need more care, more protection, more that they have to spend their life better. So in family, olds are we are the old people of future. That's why all people get old age. That's why to protect the aging people, they need extra help. They need extra help. They need extra care, more care. We have to give them. That is, they have poor eyesight. That's why we have to always stay with them. We have to maintain the light ventilated room. They have poor digestion. That's why we have to make their food or manage their food according to their capacity. They have loss of vision. That's why we have to give them timely medical treatment, timely medical checkup. They have loss of memory power, so that's why we have always stay with them and give them proper care, proper need. They are not interested in social work as more when they are in young age. That's why we have to involve them as a guardian, as a mentor in different social works to avoid feeling alone. And also we have to spend with them more times with the old peoples. These are the different types of care which we have to give him in our home. But student, only these care are not enough for them. That's why our government has also made different types of humanitarian welfare for program for the old people, that is known as social security. The other is social security. So we are little bit going to be described about the social security. Social security. So social security, सामाजिक सुरक्षा. So social security program, those types of program which is welfare for humanitarian is known as social security. And in our country, different types of social programs are social security programs are launched in different way. These programs are going and listed here. Firstly, listen carefully. Social security of staff and workers. Other program there is, these are the program launched by the government for social security for old people, aging people, different types of categorized marginalized people. These are other. There is social security grant, other food program, for example, I have to give you that in different school, the different types of nutritious food is given to the child. It is also known as social security program, food program. Other there is direct social security program. Other there is social security grant. These types of social security program is given to those old people who are marginalized, who are unable, helpless, and who are not able to get their all those necessity in family. That's why these all programs are going to be granted by the government. Social security grant. And now the old people have pension program, that's the pension 2000 per month. So in different countries, different types of programs are going to be launched. But in Nepal, in our country, the 2000 per month, that's the old people's pensions. There is also the program is retirement pensions program by the government workers. So different types of social program is going to be granted by the government to uplift the old people's status, and we should also help those people to help aging people to uplift their status and be safe from their different diseases. It is now, friends, listen carefully. Aging is itself a problem, so that's why we should pay attention, and we should look after the old people. That's why today's our topic is going to be in. Thank you. We should meet in our next class. Be safe, stay safe in your home. Thank you. Bye.